Keeping track of your health at home has never been easier with the Dr. Trust iCheck Connect 118 digital blood pressure monitor with MDI technology. This reliable, fast and effective device boasts measurement during inflation technology and optional Bluetooth connectivity for accurate pain-free measurements and reliable data tracking. With measurement during inflation technology, measurements are faster, more accurate and pain-free. Insert the connector cable into the air outlet on the device and open the Velcro cuff, sliding into position on your left arm. The cuff should sit around 2 to 3 centimeters from the bend of your elbow. Secure the cuff so that it lies comfortably and not too tight. There should be no space between the cuff and the arm. Sit comfortably with your feet firmly on the floor, back straight, and your left arm palm up on a level surface. Use a cushion if required to raise your forearm to the height of your heart. Press the on-off button and the cuff will begin to inflate. You'll see a heartbeat symbol showing your pulse and your diastolic and systolic blood pressure values when the measurement is complete, along with your heart rate. The product also comes with a Bluetooth function. Simply install the Dr. Trust BP Connect app, available for Android and iPhone users. Fill out the appropriate user data. Connect to the device. And when you're ready, press Start in the app. The cuff will begin to inflate and take a measurement, displaying your results in the app when complete. Here, you can check back over all your previous blood pressure recordings. If irregular heart rhythms are detected, the device will indicate this on the clear LCD display. There's even a color-coded traffic light display, so you can instantly see whether your blood pressure is normal, high, or needs immediate evaluation. On the app, you can track the historical trend of your blood pressure readings, and also share your results with your doctor or family member through email. This device works with 4 AAA batteries and is also USB compatible. It works with a standard Android smartphone cable, so there's absolutely no need for an adapter or to buy batteries every time. So, what are you waiting for? Keep track of your health the smart way with the Dr. Trust iCheck Connect 118 blood pressure monitor. Get yours today.
Dr. Trust. Trusted for life.